What's up, guys? Today, it's time. It's the big one. We're doing it. Single turbo time. That's right. Ever since I've got this car, ever since I thought about getting this car, or dreamed about having this car, it's always been in the plan to go single turbo. And the car is obviously ready for it with these giant tires on the back. And it's not like I sit around all day thinking about it. You know, you look really good tonight. Anyway, today is the day. We're starting the single turbo project on the Supra. All right, let's go over some of the stuff that we got here. This entire kit is from Powerhouse Racing, who is a big name in the Supra world, and they make really high quality parts. Basically, this entire turbo kit is all based around their new V1 manifold that has twin wastegates, and it is a V-band, and that is going to be mated up to a Turbo Smart 6466. So this is Turbo Smart's new line of turbos. I have not used Turbo Smart turbos before. I talked to quite a few different turbo manufacturers when I was down in Texas at a car show, and Turbo Smart really impressed me. So I'm hoping for good things. Both the other cars have Garrett's on them, so this is my first departure from Garrett Turbo into Turbo Smart, and I know that they've made really good products for a really long time, so I'm excited to see what the Turbo Smart Turbo can do on the Supra. Boost is going to be controlled by twin Hypergate 45s, also from Turbo Smart, and gotta throw some tile love in there too, so I have Tile's Q blow-off valve. And then all of the intercooler piping and exhaust work is also from Powerhouse Racing. And then just some extra goodies that didn't come with the turbo kit, but I also have, is One Up Fabrications catch can. And that should be just about it. So something to note here though is that I'm going to be running the stock mass airflow sensor on the car with this turbo kit. Basically, for a single turbo kit, Powerhouse Racing makes an intake that is compatible with the factory mass airflow sensor. The two gates that I have 10 PSI springs in them, so not a whole bunch of boost, because this car will have the single turbo on it, but will still be on stock injectors using the stock mass airflow sensor until I can get some kind of standalone system to be able to turn up the boost, add bigger injectors, all that stuff. But for the time being, this car is going to have the stock mass airflow sensor, stock injectors, and everything with the single turbo. I'm just not going to drive it hard. It won't see probably 10 pounds of boost until I can get everything else, all the supporting mods to support making a little bit more power with this turbo. So pretty excited to get started on this. Going single turbo in the Supra world is kind of like a rite of passage. Very excited to get this thing on here and finally be able to pop the hood at car shows, because right now it's questionable. I'm gonna start this project the same way that I start all of the modifications that I always do to my car. I'm just gonna start taking stuff apart and see where I end up. So let's get started. This was the ball valve that was on the Evo when I got it like 15 years ago, and I've had it ever since because it's like a real gritty, and I just can't convince myself to get rid of it. It feels like it's from like that golden era. I mean, it sounds cool, but it's not great. I just like it. So many of the vacuum lines on this car are so brittle, they just break as soon as you touch them. Heat shield bolts. Oh my God. There's no way. That's what I'm talking about, man. These Southern cars, boy, them exhaust bolts came right off. You guys know when you go into something like super confident and it's only going to take a couple hours, all of a sudden it's midnight and you still don't have the stock turbos off? That was last night. So fresh day, let's get these turbos off. Update, I took an unconventional route and everything's fine. Everything's fine. This is how it's supposed to come apart. I think in the Toyota manual it says every nut and bolt on the car, take it out. It's not. I'm fine. This is what we got going on. I've taken the turbos almost completely apart. The center housing is out on both of them. And there's still one exhaust manifold bolt that I can't get to. So this one's brother, directly underneath it. I just can't get anything on. Oh my God, it worked. It's happening. So much time, so much effort, so much practice, all the late nights, all the studying has all led to this moment here. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Okay, should get, oh. My word. I'm so close I can taste it. Where'd I put my wrench? If ever you can't find a tool, check the cowl. It's always there. She's loose, boys. Why am I still holding two wrenches? Success. Okay. It probably feels like there's a big section of this video missing, of like me getting a lot of the exhaust manifold bolts. They all came undone very easily once I could get to them. None of them were like rusted on, everything broke loose nice. I didn't want to say anything until I had them all off. That big section that feels like it's missing is probably because I turned the camera off. It would have been 2 hours of me just trying to figure out how to get a wrench onto something, or like how to stack 50 extensions on top of each other with a swivel on each end. Like, this isn't as easy of a project as I thought it was going to be. This is all it boils down to. But everything is off of the car now. All of the factory twin stuff is out. This is the exciting part whenever I get to flip all of the ratchets to tighten. Because stuff is going to start going back together. But removal of the twins took me much longer than I anticipated. So installing the single turbos, gonna have to wait a little bit. I've kind of run out of time to get this kit completely done. So stick around till next week and we'll have the single turbo kit going on the car. Pretty excited to get this done. I'm hoping that I can have it done before another car show that's coming up. I kind of wanted to bring the Supra, but if not, it's local. I can always bring the Evo. But stay tuned, subscribe, let me know in the comments if you think I did something wrong. Yeah, there should be lots of comments because I did a lot of stuff wrong. So stick around, next week we'll get the single turbo on there.